Crab pizza is the pizza for you and me. Bon appetit, y'all. If you watched the last video, this is where we ended off at. I was supposed to finish this and then maybe start installing it or whatever, but we kind of got stuck at the clear coat because I did the second layer and your boy kind of produced some runs. I'm not fully satisfied with some of the prep work, just little different levels of not fully taking off some of the material. But all in all, it ain't too bad. Like, it's the first thing you're gonna see is like, damn, that shit red as hell, and it pops. You're not gonna really fully see everything, but you could kind of see right there. Yeah, y'all could tell, like, the surface ain't fully smooth. Going with the wire wheel and whatever, it kind of just gouged at it pretty hard, so you could kind of see all the streaks. I didn't fully prep this thing the greatest. I probably had to go in there with like the 220 or something, 180, to sand that, you know, wire wheeling down first, and then come with a red Scotch Brite and really give it, you know, get it smoothing out how it should. You live and learn. Is my second valve cover. I didn't think you were gonna see it that hard, but hey, if you're looking more closely, yeah, you'll notice it. Next time around, I'll make sure to get it done properly, like cleaned or something, or get a better, you know, paint stripper and get everything off and sand it good. Nonetheless, I gotta come here and wet sand it with 1000 grit. Got the bucket, got the sandpapers right here. Yeah, we gotta sand down like these kind of areas, and then like in this corner. But you see that white pop up, and that's what really bothers me. Like, yeah, the, you know, run or whatever, but that whiteness, that's what bothered me. I'm annoyed as fuck because the paint just came off right there. And this is all, ugh. Me being me, I get frustrated. I'm like, all this shit, and I'm gonna strip this all the fuck down again right now.
A few moments later.
I think I'm gonna have to just redo this. So y'all, I've decided we are gonna be stripping this down. Now, this guy recommended to me amongst all the other things that shit didn't work, but supposedly, I mean, this one should work. Aircraft Ultra Paint Remover. This is like the extra potent one to get. You could get this at O'Reilly's, and this is like the Aircraft Ultra instead of just the Aircraft Stripper, and it has like the green without methadone, some shit. I forgot. I'm gonna sand it down to 220 just so the surface is a little bit more rough and like this could maybe latch and grip on more. What you want to do is get like a paintbrush or just like a brush, not like a wire brush like I was using on the last one like a dumbass, but you want to take it on and just get a nice coating on there and let it sit for like 30 minutes in a bag, like tightly on bag or saran wrapped or whatever, but put it in a garbage bag tightly and let it bake on there for 30 minutes, probably a bit more. We should see. I'm not satisfied with this. There's some surface imperfections. Clear coat thing did not work. I brought it down. I brought the clear coat down, which is cool. You know, I'm learning to wet sand. Cool, you know, learning experience right there. I understand it. Yeah. So, yep. Long story short, it's fucked. It's fucked, and I'm restarting, and this is what we're going with now. We finally got the Wrinkle Plus. O'Reilly's somehow has it as well. I had to order it from their like hub or something, or out in Tampa. Called this morning, had it delivered to my local one. Easy peasy, got 2 cans of that, because why not? Not why. I also have the Wrinkle Black. We got this thing all sanded down and cleaned. I got it with like some 220, then also some red Scotch, just to kind of give it a little bit of a rougher surface. Guess I didn't go as crazy in some areas, but hey, it's all good. This shit should work. And then we got our trash bag right here. Got our paintbrush this time, well, brush this time, and we're gonna be lathering it on. You feel me? My grill friend.
He's fixing his mistakes. I'm fixing mine.
Yeah, we're both fixing paint mistakes right here.
Over here.
Projects. So, yeah, let's just get masked up because I heard this shit is potent. These gloves. Just gonna go over there and start brushing it away. We got what we need. We got a brush, we got some gloves, we got a mask on because I heard this shit's potent. And don't forget the trash bag. I scuffed this down with some red Scotch Brite and also some 220 just to kind of have this adhere a little bit more.
All right, time to start, y'all. We got all our essentials. Damn, y'all, this is burning my eyes. And it's coming through the mask, bro. Way more potent than anything I've used so far. Well, you guys can see this paint's already like moistening off. Alright, y'all, so this is definitely pretty potent stuff. You can see that paint's like smearing off. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. I just gotta put it in the bag. I just wanted to show you guys really quick the befores. Yeah, bro, this is just mushing everything right now. Woo! The way that this is working, probably don't have to even do all this, but I'm gonna do it just for science. Oh man, it is a f***ing mess right now. Oh yeah. That's what we like to see. I'm gonna go get a scraper and start rubbing this crap away. Look, we got some things going. I decided to paint the strut bar here with the Wrinkle red. This is the last layer. I actually got to go here with the heat gun and start heating this up and getting the wrinkle going. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I also sat there and scuffed down the valve cover with the abrasive wheel and then the whole thing with red Scotch pretty good. So that should be good. Tomorrow I'll wash it up and hopefully get that painted as well. So just get this heated up. So it's hard for you guys to probably see right there, but you can see it's starting to transform. You see that texture surface and it's still like shiny and whatnot right there. It's textured right there and shiny all right there. So just kind of have to get it heated up good, get it all warm, and then start working it. All right, we are back again at this stage. Got it all masked up. We're about to go ahead and do the priming and paint. Get that situated. I wanted to show you guys the wrinkle came out good in that area and like this area really well. Hold on, shade. And then this area really well, but in the main portion it didn't do shit. It is what it is at this point, but let's get this thing primed up now. All right, so we are back here again at this final stage. I got 3 layers of primer here, and then we're waiting for that to flash dry for 20 minutes or so. Given that it's in the sun now, it's doing much better. Alright, we're about to spray the last layer right here. It's coming out pretty good already. It's like wrinkling up and drying up good because we're having it sit in the sun finally. Shake this up to get this nice evenness. Alright guys, we are finally done with the valve cover. I am leaving it as that. Even if it has a little bit of lighter spots than others or it didn't wrinkle as hard in some areas, I don't care, man. I am not redoing it. This is the daily. It looks better than it did before, and it's continue to look better as the new things go on. Oil here, we went with this Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 5W30, of course. Mobile One. Got this from Walmart and way cheaper than auto parts store. Got these spark plugs. These are the Tsxs 994s. I got it from Rock Auto. It was literally like half the price than the auto parts store. So do yourself the favor and get these stuff from Rock Auto because it's going to be a lot cheaper. And look if your Walmart has like your oil brands. So we redid this in Wrinkle Black. We got their strut bar, and yeah, we're just doing it, man. Getting this maintenance done finally. You know, getting some things done. I gotta get some oil, pop these coil seals in, and yeah, get this moving along. So I just took out the coil packs, and 1, 2, and 3, you guys could see why I gotta do the coil pack seals, because it's just leaking through the spark plugs. I'm sure the spark plugs are moist as fuck too, probably without a doubt. So yeah, we're just moving shit out. That's oily as hell. Don't have new coil packs. I don't think it's needed, even though these did go through some shit in its past. Motherfucker tried to do some janky stuff with these connections, and I've done replaced these a while back too. So yep, nothing to it but to do it. Eventually we'll get a RBC. If any of y'all homies got a nice one for, you know, for the little slow, and if it's, you know, ported and cut already, that'd be sick. Fuck it, I'll take a ported and cut one. I don't care. A little more the merrier. But yeah. Super thankful. Coming up a lot easier. The seals are still left on the tube here itself, it seems like. So that explains why it's been leaking, because seals are broken. Visually at the moment, I'm not seeing anything. It doesn't look too bad. Honestly, I expected it to be a little bit worse. Maybe a little bit more sludgy or like brown and burnt, but it don't look too bad. Eventually, I'm gonna have to come and do this VTC gear because I do hear it rattle up on the cold starts and some startups. And I especially hear it when like I'm downshifting. We got things off. Let's get some things cleaned up. Get that off right there. We add Honda Bond right there where those little slivets are. Like a little bit right there, a little bit right there. We don't go too crazy, but we just add a little bit because it does leak if you do not add it. Lettering got sanded down. Both gaskets, well, all 5 gaskets, the spark plug tube holes, and then the valve cover gasket. Now we just kind of have to finagle this thing on. Right, got all the grommets on. I definitely need to get some new screws for this, or some like dress up bolts or something. I'm just kind of going in a crisscross pattern over here to kind of get everything down and seated a little more even. We are finally done. I didn't do the oil change. That is the only thing that I did not do yet. And I also have, you know, new bolts to make this look even more pretty. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad, guys. Even with the little hiccups going through the whole painting process, some areas didn't wrinkle. And having a little bit of boo-boos with me installing and scraping some shit. But I did a little touch up. And it's in areas that you're not gonna see too much. It's in the back end, so, you know, don't have to worry about it too much. The valve cover looks great. Even this part, I did Wrinkle Black on it, and it came out great. I don't have an emblem right now because it was already kind of broken, and I just broke it to take it off. So, but it looks good. But hey, idea, guys. If I made some custom plates of this out of like some metal, and it says like Rish on it with a cool, you know, logo of Rish, would you guys buy it? I feel like it would be a cool idea because I'm gonna do it for myself. Like, that's something I'm gonna get done. So if you guys want that, let me know. I guess I'll do it first and show you guys, and if you guys are fucking with it and want a different design, we'll go from there. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the whole theme going now, the whole red, Wrinkle red.
I feel like it looks pretty good. I mean, it gives it like a little pizzazz. Yeah. This, maybe I'm gonna end up repainting and doing something, and I'll also see if eBay or something carries a new sticker of this, so make it look a lot cleaner. But we won't even use this when we get RBC, so we'll see. I gotta add this little nipple on the end of the valve cover, you know, breather. But if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment down below what you guys think. What dress up bolts should I go with? What color should I change these out to? Should I just go with the regular polished kind of look or something different? Let me know. I'll catch you guys next time, alright? Alright, thank you for tuning in. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see,